What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Before you leave, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I post. So today's video is going to be a DIY vanity. I built this vanity on my own. Originally, I wanted to spend a decent amount of money on a vanity, but I was like, nah, I think I'm just going to buy the drawers from Michael's and go get me some wood from Home Depot or Lowe's and build it myself. So everything that I have in this video, not the cubes because they're not cubes, the drawers, the little cubes you see me unwrapping now, and the board that I have will be linked down below because I know you guys want to try and build one, and you should because it's super nice. But there's really not much explaining to do. I'll probably jump in here and there, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, we are on the road to 1K, so please don't forget to like the video and go ahead and share the link with your friends and your family members because, like, we try and grow this family, you know? Okay, so now we're switching over to my other drawer. I had all skincare in this top drawer because literally I built these drawers and stuck everything just randomly in them. Now I'm actually going through and organizing them. At first I was like, all right, skincare up top, cool. But then I was like, nah, I'm gonna switch it. You guys will see later on in the video that I do end up switching the skincare drawer to the other drawer at a lower level, only because I want my makeup to be up top. I don't never forget about my skincare. I forget how much makeup I own and I want to get rid of it, aka use it. So yeah, that's what we're about to get into. And nobody should have this many eyeshadow palettes. But shout out to BoxyCharm because I was subscribed to them for a decent amount of time and majority of these eyeshadow palettes are from them. So yeah, if you're looking for a way to build your makeup collection, BoxyCharm is definitely it because that's how I built mine. Okay, so now I'm going to start decorating my vanity. You guys will see when I switch my camera angle that there is still some brown from the particle board showing. I actually have to order the edge banding that needs to go on the edge from Amazon. So once that comes in, you guys will be able to see the full results on my Instagram story, because I'm going to keep you updated. Alright guys, so you've made it to the end of this video, and if you haven't, you have not hit that subscribe button, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I post. Until next time, you already know what I'm going to say. Peace.